Welcome to Rescue Hero City Adventures! Today's episode, Flood in the Valley.
It's another bright morning in Sunnyvale, home of our brave rescue friends.
Another day to help and play.
Perry, the river's flooding. The bridge is shaking.
Hang on, Lenny. We're on our way.
But the bridge might not hold.
Soon, rain begins to pour.
Everyone, drive safely. It's getting slippery.
But dark clouds are gathering over the valley.
That doesn't look good.
Flammy, build a sand wall here. On it. Teamwork in action.
Oh, no. Some friends can't get across.
We need a plan, fast.
Let's block the water.
And help anyone stuck.
The water's almost over the bridge.
They must hurry. The rescue team speeds toward the valley.
I'll scout ahead, but the storm isn't done yet. A tree's down. We'll need to clear it.
The wall holds strong.
That's teamwork.
Follow me this way.
Perry keeps everyone calm.
Little one.
Helly saves the day from above.
Everyone okay?
We're scared.
Don't worry. We'll keep you safe. Here you go. Stay warm.
Helping others feels wonderful.
Thank you, rescue heroes. The flood's under control now. Great work, team. Together, they saved the valley.
Nothing stops this brave team.
When the storm is gone, the smiles come on.
I brought some cheer for everyone.
What a thoughtful friend.
Up above the valley wide, heroes help with love and pride.
Let's check the bridge one more time.
Looks safe now.
Everything is secure again.
Remember, kids, helping others makes the world brighter.
Who wants to sing our rescue song? Rescue heroes, brave and true, helping.
Sky's clear again. What a view! Helly watches over Sunnyvale with pride.
Teamwork makes everything better.
They learned that even big storms can't stop friendship.
Thanks for watching, friends! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Rescue Hero City Adventures.